Vietnam's electric vehicle manufacturer VinFast, considered a rival of Elon Musk's Tesla, is going to lay the foundation stone of its electric vehicle (EV) manufacturing plant in Tamil Nadu on 25th February. This will mark the beginning of the company's official entry into the Indian market. VinFast is a leading electric vehicle manufacturer in Vietnam. VinFast is the second major Asian EV brand to enter India after Chinese company Build Your Dreams, BYD. Let us inform that on 6 January 2024, a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) was signed between VinFast and the government of Tamil Nadu to set up an EV manufacturing plant. VinFast will invest 4,000 crore rupees in the EV plant for 5 years in the first phase. The company said that the foundation stone laying ceremony of VinFast's electric vehicle manufacturing facility to be set up in Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu, will be held on Sunday. With its entry into India, VinFast will mark its presence in the EV market in one of the fastest growing major economies in the world. The VinFast EV manufacturing facility in Tamil Nadu will reportedly create around 3,500 jobs. The factory will initially have an annual manufacturing capacity of approximately 150,000 electric vehicles per year. The focus will be on manufacturing EVs and batteries locally in the first 5 years. The new plant in Tamil Nadu will not only meet the brand's growth targets in the Indian market but will also facilitate exports to South Asian, West Asian and African countries. This will also promote the development of green mobility in the country. Reducing carbon emissions in the transport sector is a major agenda of both the central and state governments. Authorities aim to make 30% of newly registered private cars electric. Talking about VinFast's portfolio, they offer small EVs as well as large electric SUVs. The VF3 and VF4 are small electric cars from VinFast. Meanwhile, the company also sells the VF7 and VF9 large electric SUVs.